everyone, Barbara here. Today we are talking about the best work scheduling templates. So this is a topic near and dear to my heart. These are important conversations we need to have because if you have a lot of hourly employees that are moving around your business a whole all at different times, keeping track of everyone is just like juggling them. And so, if you imagine, especially if you're a restaurant owner, it's a Friday night, the restaurant is completely full, orders are flying around, and you're not really sure of who's coming in for each of your shifts. It's really important for you to be able to track all that information, who's covering each station, so where the gaps are, what plan is in place. So the ability to be able to have some work scheduling templates is very, very important. And work templates, what they are, ready-made work scheduling templates, I should say, are ready-made, an organized layout, being able to tell you who's on the clock, what role each person is handling, and the start and end times of each shift. Now, you can do this as part of a platform. You could use a platform and a technical platform and pay a subscription fee. However, there's also ways for you to do it just simply using a template through Excel or Word or PDF. And so we're going to cover some of those today. We're going to take a look at some of the top options that are out there, highlight the features that are out there, the benefits, and help just bring the stress down and keep your restaurant business operating smoothly and efficiently. So we're going to start with one of my favorites, which is Smartsheet. And so I like Smartsheet because essentially it's a fancy spreadsheet. Smartsheet gives you their templates that they have for work schedule templates. They have them for both Word and Excel. I would recommend the Excel versions. They have just a simple, clear weekly view of everyone's shifts, automatically exactly calculate the paid labor and labor costs. You can stay on top of your budget. You can choose which day of the week and highlight different shifts to be able to start day or your night schedules, vacation time, all kinds of things. So there's lots of great tools in here. You can also take these templates and put them onto, if you want to pay for the Smartsheet platform, you can actually do it on the Smartsheet platform as well. But Smartsheet also has the ability to just pull them into an Excel. Now, the advantage to this is if you decide to just pull them in Excel, which is always good for small businesses just getting started because you don't have to pay for the subscription fee, you can continue to maintain them as part of a Excel spreadsheet. And then you can always upload into the Smartsheet platform at any point and be able to maintain them there. So that's the advantage of using Smartsheet. And they have a whole bunch of different tools out there. They have weekly work rotation schedule. They have employee shift schedules. They have a 5-day schedule template. They have a 5-day weekly work schedule, many to choose from. You can sort through any of them and find out which ones you like. So the next one we're going to talk about is Microsoft. Microsoft also has a lot of free downloadable work scheduling templates. All are available in Excel. So when you look through the Microsoft products, everything is downloaded in Excel. The template lays out Monday through Sunday, calculates hours for you, simplifying your scheduling process. It's also customizable, so that's nice. There's lots of different options within here that you can use and be able to really sort through and figure out how you're going to be able to calculate all of them in there. So this is an example of their employee shift schedule where you can be able to calculate what shifts your employees are coming in. And here's another example of a shift work calendar. You'd be able to sort through who's coming in at various different times. So it's a really, and Microsoft, they do a great job, especially being able to download them directly in Excel is very, very helpful. Next, we're going to talk about a company called Template Lab. So Template Lab has this ability to have, they've created essentially 37 free employee scheduling templates. They're in both Excel, or they're in all three, Excel, Word, and PDF. So there's lots of availabilities here. This is one of the ones that I think is really good. Their employee shift schedule template, where you're able to really break down who's coming in. It's very simple, it's easy to use. They also have a weekly employee schedule. They have a daily schedule. So if you just need it one day at a time, it really helps you be able to keep organized and be able to ensure your day-to-day operations run smoothly without having to go to a fancy platform. Next is a company called When I Work. So they have the ability, they are a platform, but they do have the ability to pull out some scheduling templates out of Excel that you can use for an easy starting point for planning and organizing of your shifts. You just enter in your team members, you set up the shifts, and when they're going to be working, assign them to each day of the week. The template is designed to be flexible, allowing you to adjust dates matched with every day of the week that you're trying to schedule. So they make it very, very easy. And in where I work, they have it in the ability to not only pull it into Excel, but they also give you a free option to go into their platform. Now, eventually you might have to pay to go into the platform, so that is the disadvantage, but they do have some Excel templates. Once again, the same as Smartsheet, once you work on the Excel template for a while and you decide that you really like it, you can always upload them into Where I Work and you can use it as part of their platform. The next one is Buddy Punch, which love the name. What I like about the Buddy Punch ones is for those of you who use Google Drive, they have a lot of templates that you can just automatically put onto Google Drive. They fit different types of businesses, teams' needs. If you plan schedules on a monthly basis, you can use a template that has the entire month on a single sheet. They have lots of, especially for those businesses that run 24/7, they have 24-hour templates that may be able to organize your shifts around the clock. So there's lots of things. And for those of you who are Google Drive users, this is a really nice ability to be able to do that. Now, once again, Buddy Punch does offer its own platform. So you can start using the templates on Google Drive. And then if you decide you want to switch to the platform, you can always upload them onto Buddy Punch and be able to use them there. So that's a nice advantage to be able to have that opportunity. And here is what their platform looks like. The next one I want to talk about is Homebase. So Homebase, I'm gonna move away from just using Excel or Word or PDF, and I'm going to go straight into their platform because Homebase offers a free subscription that you can just use, or you have other functionality too, but you can use their scheduling ability. And if you look here, this is my free subscription to Homebase, and I was able to schedule various different shifts in here. I have a breakfast, the folks that are working the breakfast shift, let's say in a restaurant, the breakfast run, dinner, evening, lunch shifts, breakfast run, and I was able to do this all for free. So Homebase is actually an employee management platform that provides free online scheduling tools to make managing your team much easier. And it's a tool that I really like. I use it. It's very, very helpful. It streamlines your key tasks like scheduling shifts and tracking hours and managing payroll. So it's a great tool to use. And lastly, we're going to talk about Toast, which is a great name for those that are working in the restaurant field. So Toast has also free scheduling templates, just like Homebase and Where I Work. When I Work is they also are a platform. So once again, you can download their templates that they have. They have, in this case, a very specific template for restaurant scheduling. And then if you choose later to be able to use their platform, or I suppose you could also take any of these spreadsheets and be able to upload them into any platform for that matter, because there's always capability to do that. But they do have a specific restaurant scheduling template that makes it easy to be able to plan and organize your team shifts, keeping everything clear and structured. You can update everything weekly, and it makes it very easy, and it's free. So that's really nice. So as you're looking through all of these different platforms, so we talked about Toast, we talked about Homebase, we talked about Buddy Punch, we talked about Where I Work. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. This is Template Lab, which has lots of templates, the Microsoft products and Smartsheet. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. So my recommendation is start with something that is on, let's say, a spreadsheet. So something Excel, preferably Excel over Word or PDF, although you could use those too, and start using it to see what works best for you. And then you can slowly start exploring some of the different platforms out there. So this is a great way for you to be able to play with the different work scheduling templates that are out there before you decide going into an actual paid platform. Hope that helps. Bye.